welcome to my channel, and here we are going to solve this particular problem which has to do with mechanical drawing. As we have here that a pictorial view of a casting is shown in figure 3, and this is the figure they are referring to, and here we ask that we should draw to a scale of 3:2 and the first angle orthograph projection, the plan, the end elevation in direction of ROE, and the sectional front elevation on plane ZZ. Okay. Now, so for all the dimensions that we are given on this object, we are to multiply each of them by 3/2. Okay, so whatever we get at the end, that's the dimension that we are to use based on the scale that we are given. So I believe you can see all the dimensions as we have it, but total length from here to here is 100. If I multiply 100 by 3/2, that's going to give me 150. That is, I'm going to divide 100 by 2, multiply the result, which is 50 by 3, and that's 150 millimeters for the length of the object, which we are going to use in the plan. And also we need the width, so the total width is 60 millimeters, and that will give us 90 millimeters. Okay, and distance from here to here, as we are given that it is 20 millimeters, 20 by 3/2, that will give us that will be 30 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 40 millimeters as written here, and 40 times 3/2, that will give us 60 millimeters. Okay, and for the width, okay, so for the width, if we multiply 60 by 3/2, that's 90, as I've said before. Okay, so let's start and see what we are going to do. So the first thing that we are going to do here, since we are asked to draw the views in first angle orthographic projection, so what we have to do is simple, but I'm going to start like this since we are drawing the plan first. Okay, so I'm going to draw horizontal line. So I just draw horizontal line like this. Okay, so then the next thing that I'm going to do is that on this horizontal line, I'm going to set so draw a vertical line from this end here down here. Okay, so I'm going to take a measurement of 150 millimeters, which is the total length of the object, 150 millimeters. That will be the first thing that I'm going to take. Don't forget that we are multiplying each given dimension by 3/2. So the length as given in the drawing itself is 100 millimeters. If I divide 100 I multiply 100 millimeters by 3/2, that's going to give me 150 millimeters. And for the width, as I said, 150 millimeters multiplied by 60 millimeters. The width as given in the drawing itself is 60 millimeters. So 60 times 3/2, that's going to give me 90 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 90 millimeters here. So this is 90. Then I'm going to draw horizontal line. Here I will draw horizontal line like this. So I need to get the midpoint. Very, very important. So I need to get the midpoint. So that's 90 by 2. That will give us 45 millimeters. So here I have 45 millimeters. So I will draw this line as a center line just now. So I will draw it as a center line like this. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is that I'm going to bring the object as given, as we have here. So I said that distance from here to here, for us to get this line, we are going to get this line, and we also have the same line on this side. So they said that distance from here to here, as we are given here, is 40 millimeters. So that is 40 by 40 multiplied by 3/2. That will give us 60 millimeters. So that means I'm going to take 30 millimeters from here down. So from this midline, center line down, 30 millimeters, and I will take 30 millimeters for me to get that line there. So don't forget that we are working on the plan of the drawing first, as we are told that we should draw the plan. Okay, and the views are to be drawn in first angle orthographic projection. So I've gotten this now. So this is out of what we are looking for to get the plan done. Okay, the next thing that we are going to do is that we come here. Now let's get total distance from here to here, as we have that. So from here to here is 10, from here to here is 20, this is another 10, this is another 20, and this is another 10. Okay, so that means we have what? We have 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 20 plus 10. So that is going to give us a total of 70 millimeters. Okay, so this is 20. So this, this is 10 plus 10, 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 plus 10 is 40, 40 plus 20, that's 60, and 60 plus 10, that gives us 70 millimeters. So let's get that distance. So we take it on the horizontal line there, 70 millimeters. So this is, okay, so we are going to multiply that 70 by 3 over 2, as I said. So 70 by that is 35, and 35 times 3, 15, 35 times 3, so that's going to give us 105. So that's 105 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 105 millimeters. 105 millimeters. So this is 105 millimeters there. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line from here down. So a vertical line from here down here. Okay, so now let's work on what we have here. Even I'm not supposed to put it, but let's leave it because I'm not going to make it thick. Okay, so now let's start with this. Let's start with this distance from here to here. So which is, we have already taken it. So just to take this thickness. So this thickness is 10 millimeters. So 10 times 3 over 2. So that will give us 15 millimeters. So I'm going to take a measurement of 15 millimeters from here. So this is 15 millimeters. So then I'm going to draw a line. That rectangle, as you see there, we also have it as rectangle in the plan as we have there. Also, from here to here is 20, and 20 multiplied by 3 over 2, that will give us 30 millimeters. So I need to take a measurement of 30 millimeters. So this is 30 millimeters now. So I will still draw this as a thick line, as a line from here to here. Okay, so that's going to give us something like a rectangle, but let's leave it for now. So also, we also have from here to here is 10 millimeters. That's also 15 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 15 millimeters from here. So this is 15 millimeters. Okay, so this is 15 millimeters. So I will draw a line like this here. So the next one is also 20, and that gives us 30 millimeters. 30 millimeters. So why the rest to be 15? So I will draw this line like this. Okay, so the rest here is 15 millimeters. So other thing that we are going to put here is that we have this thing. So we have this thing here. We have it. So it's going to give us a rectangle as we have, and they said that the thickness is 20 millimeters. So which is going to give us 30 millimeters. So what we need to do now for that is to take a measurement of 15 millimeters down from this middle line. We take 15 millimeters down. So this is 15 millimeters, and we take 15 millimeters up here. So then we are going to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line. Okay. So we draw a horizontal line from, so it goes from here to here. So from here to here. Okay. So it will end here. And we also take it from here to here for that. So it's going to give us a rectangle like that. Okay, so with what we have done here, I think we have been apart from this one, so the thickness from here to here is also 10. This is also 10 from here to here. So let's take that. I think we have already taken it. Okay, we've not taken it. So All right, so okay, so that is going to give us, so from this line, so it is 10, so that's going to be 15 millimeters. So from this line here, so we are going to take a measurement of 15 millimeters. So this is 15 millimeters, and we also come here from this point here, we also take 15 millimeters in here. So that rectangle has come out, so I will just draw a line from here, and then I will draw a line from here to here like this. So with what I've done here, I think all the parts are already here. So what we need to do now is to bring out the each part using T continuous line so that we can see the plan how it looks. So I'm going to pause the video and then I will do that, and then I will come back when I'm done with the thickening of the visible outlines and edges. Okay. Alright, let's do it together. So we need to make this line a thick line, and let me show you the line. That is this line here. This line that we have here, as I said, that this is going to give us a rectangle. So we make this line a thick line from here to here, and this also will do the same thing. So we'll make it a thick line like this. Okay, so the next one that we have here, so this line that we have here, so this line and this line and this line and this line and this line, let's bring them out. So we have them here. So we have this one like this, and also we have this line. So we also have this line like this, then we have this line. Also we have the same thing on this side, so we have the same thing on this side. Alright, so we have those lines. So this line also, we are going to make it a thick line from here to here. So that is for the rectangle. So this line also is a thick line. Okay, so you are going to see it when we are done. So this line, so make it a thick line. Also this line. Then this line also. So also this line. So from here to here. So this line also will be a thick line. Also this line from here to here. Okay, so then this line is also a thick line. So we also make this a thick line all to this end here, all to this end. So everything here is a thick line. So this line also, so we make it a thick line. So from here to this end, then so we come here. So we are going to make this line a thick line. So from here to this end, like this. So also, so the whole of this line will be a thick line as we did for the other one there. Okay, so then the whole of this will be a thick line from here down. Okay, so let's see what we have on this side here. So for this side also, we are going to have the whole of this line being a thick line. So the whole of this will be a thick line. Okay, so what else do we have here that we have not put here? So looking at what we have here, everything is here. Everything is here. So nothing is left out. Everything is here. Let me just show you. So starting from this line that we have here, so a line like this that we have at this point. So this is the line. Okay. Then so there's a line that we have at this point. So like this line here. So this is the line like this. So this rectangle that we have here is here, this rectangle here is here, and this shape that we have here, this rectangle, it will also give us a rectangle in the plan. So this is it. Then this rectangle that we have here, we have it here. So this will also give us, so this one apart from here will not have the whole of this line being thickened out. That's why I left this unthickened. So then the rest of this from here to here is what we have from here to here. Okay, so for this one it gives us a rectangle, and that is what we have within this part here. So then this small rectangle that we have, or a square, so we have it here. We also have it on this side. So from here to here, so that's a rectangle, this is it. So we have one here, we have one on this side, so this is it. So this square here is what we have here, and also we have another one on this side. So this is how the plan will look. As simple as I've done it here. Thank you and God bless you.